Hello and welcome to today's episode. I'm thrilled to have you with me as we embark on an exploration of the fascinating world of web design. Whether you're a seasoned designer, a business owner, looking to enhance your online presence, or simply someone curious about how the websites we visit daily come to life, this conversation is for you. Let's start by setting the stage. Imagine it's the early 1990s. The internet is in its infancy, and the concept of a website is a novel idea. In August 1991, British scientist Tim Berners-Lee published the very first website. This inaugural page was a simple, text-based document with blue hyperlinks on a white background, explaining what the World Wide Web was and how to use it. There were no images, no colors, no logos, just plain black text on a white background. It was functional, informative, and, to be honest, quite basic by today's standards. newedge.co.uk. Fast forward to 1993, and the landscape begins to shift. The introduction of the Mosaic browser marked a significant milestone. Unlike its predecessors, Mosaic could display images alongside text, allowing for a richer, more engaging user experience. This was a game changer, opening the door for designers to think beyond mere functionality and start considering aesthetics and user engagement. en.wikipedia.org. As the internet grew, so did the complexity of web design. The late 1990s and early 2000s saw the rise of technologies like JavaScript and Flash. These tools enabled designers to create interactive elements, animations, and dynamic content, transforming static pages into interactive experiences. However, this period also introduced challenges. Websites became more complex, leading to longer load times and compatibility issues across different browsers and devices. UtahMarketers.com. The mid-2000s brought about the Web 2.0 era, characterized by user-generated content, social media integration, and a focus on user interactivity. Design trends shifted towards cleaner layouts, intuitive navigation, and a more user-centric approach. This period also saw the emergence of content management systems like WordPress, empowering individuals and businesses to create and manage their own websites without extensive technical knowledge. Sitecenter.com.au. In recent years, the emphasis has been on responsive design, ensuring that websites provide a seamless experience across various devices, from desktops to smartphones. The rise of mobile internet usage has made this a critical aspect of web design. Additionally, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping the industry. While some designers view AI as a threat, fearing it might replace human creativity, others see it as a tool to enhance efficiency and personalization. Techradar.com. Now, let's delve into some key insights that have emerged from this evolution. First and foremost, user experience, UX, has become paramount. A well-designed website isn't just about looking good, it's about providing value to the user. Studies have shown that 88% of users are less likely to return to a website after a poor user experience. Newmedia.com. This underscores the importance of intuitive navigation, fast load times, and mobile responsiveness. Speaking of load times, did you know that 79% of users prioritize page speed when deciding whether to purchase from a mobile site? Zipdo.co. In an age where instant gratification is the norm, even a few seconds of delay can lead to user frustration and abandonment. Color also plays a pivotal role in web design. Research indicates that 90% of users say color is the most important visual element when judging a brand. Zipdo.co. The right color scheme can evoke emotions, build trust, and enhance brand recognition. Let's bring these insights to life with a real-world example. Consider the case of a local bakery that decided to revamp its website. Initially, the site was cluttered with hard-to-read fonts and a confusing layout. After conducting user research and implementing a cleaner design with intuitive navigation and mouth-watering images of their products, the bakery saw a 30% increase in online orders within the first month. This transformation highlights how thoughtful design choices can directly impact business success. Another compelling story comes from a non-profit organization aiming to raise awareness for a cause. Their original website was outdated and lacked engaging content. By redesigning the site with compelling visuals, clear calls to action, and optimized donation forms, they experienced a 50% increase in online donations. This case underscores the power of design in driving user engagement and achieving organizational goals. These examples illustrate the tangible impact of web design on user behavior and business outcomes. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating an experience that resonates with users and meets their needs. As we reflect on these developments, it's fascinating to consider how far we've come. From the humble beginnings of text-only pages to the dynamic, interactive websites of today, web design has continually evolved to meet the changing needs and expectations of users. This journey is a testament to the creativity, adaptability, and innovation within the design community. In our next segment, we'll explore the future of web design, delving into emerging trends and technologies that are set to shape the digital landscape. Stay tuned as we continue this exciting journey through the ever-evolving world of web design. Welcome back to our deep dive into the evolving world of web design. In the first half of this episode, we explored the foundational principles and current best practices that guide effective web design. Now, let's shift our focus to more advanced insights, practical tips, and the exciting trends shaping the future of the digital landscape. As we look ahead, one of the most transformative forces in web design is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI. AI is revolutionizing how we approach design by automating routine tasks, personalizing user experiences, and even predicting user behavior. For instance, AI-powered tools can analyze user data to generate design suggestions tailored to individual preferences, streamlining the design process and enhancing user engagement. However, it's crucial to strike a balance. Over-reliance on AI can lead to generic designs that lack the human touch. The key is to use AI as a tool that complements human creativity, not replaces it. By leveraging AI for tasks like performance monitoring and diagnostics, designers can free up time to focus on strategic decisions and creative aspects that truly resonate with users. Another significant trend is the move towards sustainable web design. As environmental concerns become more pressing, there's a growing emphasis on creating websites that are both efficient and eco-friendly. This involves optimizing websites to consume less energy through efficient code, compressed assets, and server-side rendering. Sustainable sites not only load faster but also use less data, directly improving performance metrics like core web vitals. From a business perspective, adopting sustainable practices can lead to better SEO rankings, lower hosting costs, and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. It's a win-win situation that aligns performance with purpose. In terms of aesthetics, we're witnessing a resurgence of neo-brutalism in web design. This style embraces raw, high-contrast visuals with oversized typography, stark color palettes, and intentionally unpolished layouts. It's a bold departure from the sleek, minimalist designs that have dominated the web in recent years. Neo-brutalism challenges conventional design norms, offering a fresh and authentic user experience. While it may not suit every brand, when executed thoughtfully, it can create a memorable and impactful online presence. Looking ahead, several emerging trends are poised to shape the future of web design. One such trend is the adoption of voice and gesture navigation. As voice recognition technology becomes more sophisticated, websites are being optimized for natural speech patterns, allowing users to interact with sites using voice commands. This shift is particularly significant as voice search continues to rise, making it essential for designers to consider voice-friendly interfaces. Similarly, gesture-based navigation, especially on touch devices, is becoming more prevalent, offering users intuitive and hands-free ways to interact with content. Another trend gaining traction is the use of modular grid layouts, inspired by the Japanese bento box. These grids allow for flexible and responsive designs that adapt seamlessly to various screen sizes and orientations. By organizing content into modular sections, designers can create visually appealing and user-friendly layouts that enhance the overall user experience. This approach not only improves aesthetics but also ensures that content remains accessible and engaging across all devices. As we delve deeper into the future of web design, it's essential to consider the implications of Web 3.0. This next generation of the Internet promises a more decentralized, intelligent, and secure web experience. Web 3.0 aims to address issues like data ownership and privacy by leveraging technologies such as blockchain. For designers, this means creating websites that are not only user-centric but also align with the principles of decentralization and transparency. Embracing Web 3.0 will require a shift in mindset, focusing on building trust and fostering community engagement through design. Incorporating these advanced insights and trends into your web design practice can set you apart in a competitive digital landscape. However, it's important to approach these innovations thoughtfully. Consider your target audience, brand identity, and the specific goals of your website when implementing new technologies and design philosophies. The key is to enhance the user experience without compromising on performance, accessibility, or usability. To wrap up, let's reflect on the key takeaways from today's discussion. First, the integration of AI in web design offers exciting opportunities for personalization and efficiency, but should be balanced with human creativity to maintain authenticity. Second, sustainable web design practices not only benefit the environment but also improve performance metrics and user satisfaction. Third, embracing bold aesthetics like neo-brutalism can set your brand apart and create a memorable user experience. Finally, staying informed about emerging trends such as voice and gesture navigation, modular grid layouts, and the evolution towards Web 3.0 will ensure your designs remain relevant and forward-thinking. We conclude this episode. I encourage you to explore these trends and consider how they can be integrated into your own web design projects. The digital landscape is continually evolving, and staying informed and adaptable is crucial. Remember, the most successful designs are those that resonate with users, align with brand values, and anticipate future needs. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the advanced facets of web design. I hope you found the insights and practical tips shared today valuable and inspiring. Until next time, keep designing with purpose, passion, and a keen eye on the future.